guess what? Today I went to Expo, and there are when I entered the Expo, there are so many people that they are presenting their own company's projects, and how marvelous places there, mind blowing, outstanding places there. So I'm so happy because I went to there the first time in my life, and I watching that kind of the people. They are representing their own self, and they are representing their talents in front of the many people.
That's exciting. Couldn't you tell me that?
Yeah, because I am so excited. That's why I forgot it.
Okay. Would you like to tell me next time when you will go?
Yeah, why not? If you are go with me, so why not? It's my pleasure.
Okay. By the way, what did you see there? What was the special there?
You know, when I entered the expo, there are the many people, as I told you, and they are representing their own company's projects. And one thing is, you know, there are so many different companies people are coming there, and they are representing the many things. And I see which things I couldn't never in my life. So it was new for me.
It's mysterious, exotic.
Yeah.
So I'm also interested in it originally. So when we will go, I will support you and I will help you in all these things. But you will have to tell me next time when you will go. Okay?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Yeah, why not? It's my pleasure. I will tell you.
Okay. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Are you Mr. Sharma?
Yes.
Can I come?
Yeah. You can.
Actually, I am come to give an interview. There was I have seen in newspaper there was one
Job.
required for job to education teacher. I come.
So would you like this? Would you like to show your CV?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. You are in masters.
Yeah, I'm master in English.
Okay, that's good. What have you done?
I have done in 2008 and in Karachi University.
Okay, that's what are you doing nowadays? You are teaching.
Nowadays I am teaching in Bahria College.
Okay. So how long have you been teaching over there?
I have been teaching there for 3 years.
Okay, what do you teach over there?
I have teach so many subjects like my favorite subject is English.
Oh,
and
really?
I am master in English. That's why this is good for me.
Oh, that's lovely. Okay. Tell me one answer to me. That how can you understand the students' grammar or other things? How can you understand them?
Yeah, in class, when I go in class, I show my ability in front of students and I take their interest from study and I make to their minds. First I listen their minds and then I how the student they think about studies and what they do in class. And then I teach from subjects or
Okay, okay.
subject.
When you were learning English, when you were doing masters in KU, so did you attempt any formulas to learning how to be learned and how to be if someone is going to give a presentation? So what the basic thing is required in giving to the presentations?
Yeah, I have learned so many things about teaching. I have learned I have done teaching course from some institutes and I have so many experience about.
Do you know something about IDA case?
Yeah, I know about IDA and and case.
So during the teaching, do you feel all the formulas which you learn in your
Yeah,
classes?
for this is most important for every presentation. You take interest. You take interest, audience interest. If you don't have these kind of formulas, we are nothing from.
Mr. Umar Malik, actually thing is that I can appoint you, but firstly I want to check you 2 and 3 classes. You can come here and you can take the classes. Then we will check how can you teach them. And apart from this, what do you expect to us that how much should you pay?
It's 40 to 50,000.
Oh, it is still to 40 or 50,000.
40. This is nowadays what's going
DNS
on.
is going on. Yeah, I understand that.
Not enough 40 to 50,000 and give me one car and a medical as well.
So
This is
from where you
little
were
bit requirement.
in Bahria University, you were taking over
Yeah,
here.
of course,
How much CC car do you have now?
800 cc.
800 cars, CC car do you need, and apart from your medicals.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I will ask my directors when they will allow me. So I will make a call you. Inshallah, I have contact number. Okay, nice to meet you.